See, a 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line. So the balloon is moving on a horizontal line, okay, of 88.2 meter from the ground, okay. So the balloon is at 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eye is, okay, keep in mind eye of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree, okay. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. Now look at the situation. Let the girl, okay, let the girl is standing at point C, okay. He spots the balloon at point A. You please write all these things, huh? He spots the balloon at point A. Then the balloon is moving on a horizontal line, okay, horizontal line. Now the balloon moves up to point B. Now you see the angle of elevation from the eye of the child or the girl is 60 degree first. That means angle ACD. You have to draw a parallel line, horizontal line to the ground from the eye of the child of the girl. Now angle ACD will be equal to 60 degree, and after some time the balloon has moved up to point B. Now the angle of elevation from to point B will be angle BCE. That means this angle is your 30 degree, okay. Well, what else is given? The height is given. This height, total height. Total height means height from the ground is 88.2 meter. So this height is total height. Now what we have to find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So we have to find length of DE, okay. This much we need. This is the basic of the question. After writing this much, we will move into the solution part, okay. Now here we have to find the length of BE and AD. Here you keep in mind AD is equal to BE, okay, because it is told that the balloon is moving with the wind in a horizontal line, okay. So this is a horizontal line. Now length of AD, length of AD equal to B, same. AD equal to B, both are same, will be equal to 88.2 minus height of the girl is 1.2, which will be equal to 87 meter, okay. So 87 meter will be length of B. Now let's start with this angle BCE triangle. In triangle you can write BCE tan 30 degree is equal to tan 30 degree will be equal to BE by CE. BE by C implies tan 30 value you know 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 equal to BC length is 87. Look at the figure. BC I have written. It's not BC, BE, na? It's BE. Yes. So BE is 87 divided by CE. CE we don't know. Just write CE. Implies CE will be equal to 87 root 3. Now look at the figure. Who is C? C is, this is length. This is 87 root 3. Okay. Now again we will move to this 60 degree angle, that is in triangle ACD. Now in triangle ACD, tan 60 degree equals to, tan 60 will be equal to AD by CD. AD by CD implies tan 60 is equal to what? Root 3. Root 3 equals to AD length we know. AD this length. AD is 87. by CD. Okay, now implies CD equals to 87 by root 3. Okay, now we'll rationalize it, which will be equal to 87 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3, which will be equal to 87 root 3 divided by 3. Now cancel it. It will be 3 2 then 9, 29 root 3 na. So CD equal to 29 root 3. Now you look what we get. We get the length of CD, this length. This is 29 root 3. We had length of CE, this complete length, that is 87 root 3. What we have to find? We have to find DE, that is the distance covered by the balloon. So DE equal to CE minus CD, CE minus CD, which will be equal to CE is 87 root 3 minus CD is 29 root 3, 29 root 3, which will be equal to it will be 58 root 3 meter. So how much distance the balloon has covered? This distance DE, or which is equal to AB also, is 58 root 3 meter. Okay, so this is the solution. Now we will move to question number 15.